Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. This is a how-to if you have the NZXT H5 Flow case that comes with that extra little fan down here. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm replacing that fan since I'm kind of going with a be quiet kind of theme. So I got a 120 millimeter Pure Wings 2 that I'm gonna replace it with, and that's that fan that I'm talking about right there. I'll show you just a quick how-to on how to do it. So disregard my cable management on my editing rig. So essentially you got two screws to remove. There's one right here and then another one right there. So both of those you remove, and essentially you'll just push up and the actual shroud should come with the fan. Just like that. So now, since we have it out, I should be able to unscrew it, but while I have it on this side, I'm just gonna undo the cabling real quick. And since I'm really not gonna be using this fan, I'll go ahead and cut it. Not a big fan of the NZXT fans. Let's see, that one, which is going to that one. Okay. Alrighty. So here's the shroud, and we should be able to just lift it up. You know what actually would be easier? I think we have to remove this piece. That real quick. So it's just a standard 120 millimeter fan. So we'll go ahead, cut to the next clip of me just basically putting it back in. Alrighty, just putting in the very last screw for this new fan. So basically it'll be something like this. So then it'll just sit like that. So now, just basically just put the shroud back in. Go. Okay, so now it's put back in. You might have some difficulty in here. Just take your time until it all basically just snaps into place. And now we can go ahead. put these two guys on. Now, all right, so I got everything tied down. So that's good, that's good, that's good. Now, I'm just gotta make sure my cabling is all neat here in a second. Let's put this side. And being really my editing machine, I don't really need it to be the nicest looking. But I got everything taken care of. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.